The first human-machine interface using Microsoft's Windows operating system was introduced in 1987, when Wonderware InTouch came out to revolutionize the automation and control industry. This collaboration between AVEVA, Schneider Electric, and Microsoft continues today, with joint efforts to define open software solutions that enable real-time plant monitoring and control, asset performance management, and supply chain visibility. One of the organizations benefiting from this partnership is Italpresse Gauss, a subsidiary of the Norican Group. 98% of Italpresse Gauss's focus is on the global automotive industry, building light alloy die casting machines and cells for die casting of light metal alloys.
All of us feel the needs always to implement and to develop as much as possible our product, to stay always on the edge.
Italpresse Gauss worked with AVEVA to enhance the monitoring and control system of its presses and introduce innovative maintenance and support services for its customers. Using System Platform and InTouch, both based on Microsoft.NET, SQL Server, and Azure, Italpresse Gauss developed a custom monitoring and control interface they coined HME.
We delivered the first application of HME in 2015. We decided to develop this new HMI based on Microsoft technology to communicate with other devices and other platforms, and to be able to have a SQL Server database. We would like to, with this product, to give easy access to the information, to build an application focused on the data coming from the plant.
The difference of our industrial software platform is the possibility to add new functionalities on top of this platform for achieving new results and giving new possibilities to the OEM to sell services and to sell new features to the end customer.
18 months later, Italpresse Gauss teamed with AVEVA again to introduce a new user experience that's reshaping the way asset performance management is executed in the industry. This application they called AMI, built using AVEVA's AR/VR solution, a powerful tool set based on Microsoft Visual Studio, DirectX, and the Windows API.
HME give easy access to the information. AMI give easy access to maintenance documentation.
AMI doesn't just provide asset maintenance to its presses, it also adds a powerful interactive tool for operator training and engineering that connects Italpresse Gauss with its customers like never before.
In this case, we are delivering an application that consider just the component of VR and AR, but could be expanded through other kind of engine in the future.
Customers who opt for AMI get an asset performance management solution based on the digital twin. Digital twinning creates a complete high-fidelity digital representation of a physical asset within the AR/VR environment. For Italpresse Gauss, it improves the operation and reliability of their presses while optimizing maintenance so that it can be performed at the most economically advantageous time. Using a tablet device or Microsoft HoloLens, Italpresse Gauss customers can view the digital twin of the physical machine, visualized using modern 3D imagery and gamification techniques in both augmented and virtual reality environments.
We are going to use the gamification as a technique for creating everything like more appealing for the final usage. So we have the same application delivered on the tablet that run on the HoloLens. This means the capability to interact with the machine with hand-free.
The remote support feature of AMI is a game changer, enabling Italpresse Gauss's support engineers to use modern tablet technology to be virtually present at their customers' plants. In this way, they can offer remote operator assistance through AR and VR to resolve problems immediately, wherever the asset is in the world.
What we provide is an overall solution that cover in a 360 way the need of the customers. Most important, the Italpresse SOS support.
It's like Italpresse Gauss operator, service operator is directly on the site, together with maintenance people.
In an increasingly competitive global marketplace, manufacturers must seek new ways to separate themselves from the competition and provide new value for their customers. This is how the products and services developed by Italpresse Gauss are reshaping the way we look at modern captive foundries and opening new business opportunities in the industry.
There's always an evolution about what we are doing now. Being part of this huge transformation, the Industry 4.0 is around the corner and everyone is starting to talking about this digital journey, we was very pleased to find in Italpresse Gauss an amazing starting point to work.
It was not just a matter of products or technical solution, let's say. It was a matter to creating a common vision, a common strategy, and also to create something really new. At the end of the day, we really changed the rules of the game for the foundry market.
In collaboration with Microsoft, AVEVA's software portfolio enables companies like Italpresse Gauss to embed key software technologies, which they can then use to unlock new business models, such as combining maintenance as a service and monitoring and control into potent AR/VR multi-device-based solutions. Innovations like HME, AMI, and Microsoft's HoloLens technology offer a glimpse at the future of engineering, operations, training, remote support, and asset performance maintenance, not just for captive foundry or machine building, but for industrial organizations across the world.
This is a digital transformation not only of our equipment but also of our business completely.